10 points why doctors unable to create wealth. One of the reason is high student debt. Majority of the medical courses in India or abroad, it's very expensive. Because of that, people take loans and study the doctor course, and finally they graduate or post graduation kind of thing will happen. So because of that, as it is costing huge debt, people unable to create wealth. That is one reason. Second is delayed entry into workforce. In general, if you see the engineers or some other kind of a professionals, they will enter into their work from the age of 20 and they start making money. But if you see doctors, they will take huge time to join into workforce because of extensive trainings and long studies. So because of that, they start making money very lately. And third thing is high cost for setting up medical practice. Even after graduating or after doing a specialization in some area, if they wanted to set up a hospital, it cost a lot because of the medical equipment cost or hiring people or a rental or whatever you consider. To set up a own hospital, it cost a lot. And when you think about a job, most of the doctors have a targets and that kind of a work pressure in the hospitals, and they will ask in multiple working hours or sometimes some odd hours they ask you to come and work, sometimes in the night shift kind of. So because of this, many people struggling a lot financially. Fourth thing is complex tax consideration. If you consider India or other countries, most of the countries is charging very high tax on doctors, and majority of the doctors can't escape from it because of multiple reasons. And if you see India, there is a 30% to 40% tax they are collecting directly. And besides of it, whenever you put an expense, like if you buy a car, you need to pay GST. If you buy a mobile, you need to pay GST. If you buy a whatever you buy, there is a GST on it. So at the time of earning, they are taking tax. At the time of expense also, they are taking money. Because of that, majority of the doctors couldn't create wealth. Fifth thing is malpractice related or indemnity related insurance costs also one of the reason, and they charge very high amount for this indemnity cover. So majority doctors must and should take because of multiple things happening around our country. So you have to be very careful while buying this. So indemnity insurance is one of the cost effective thing. That means they are charging very high amount. Because of that, majority doctors couldn't save some money. And one of the other reason is balancing professional income and personal income. This is also one of the conflicting factor. And some people could able to balance. One is managing the professional life and personal life. Second is professional income and personal income also need to be managed in a more effective way, because the tax structure or the income calculation will be completely different from these two. And some chartered accountants helping doctors to create clear this, but some of the people I have seen, I have observed that because of the lack of proper guidance, they are losing lot of money in taxes. And next thing is maintaining work-life balance. It's very pathetic to the doctors, because the other companies, like if you see software engineers, they can work in particular shift. But if you take it the doctors, most of the people are in a rotational shifts if they are working at somewhere. Majority, some of the doctors are like working in night shifts. Because of that, their health is getting collapsed, and some of the relationships issues also coming because of these shifts, difference in shifts. And some of the corporates are forcing doctors to work in some multiple, like a different 2-3 shifts. They have to work and to complete certain kind of operations or certain kind of surgeries. Because of this, work life balance is getting collapsed. Because of that, financial life also getting collapsed. And next thing is economic and regulatory changes. There are multiple things, even in career related, there are multiple upgrades are happening in a career. And besides of it, that regulatory related changes or new norms are coming to change entire medical practices, and they are asking to follow multiple instructions or multiple regulatory related changes. Because of that, majority people is in pressure and couldn't focus on either health or wealth. So these are the reasons. I hope you understood. And if you wanted to create wealth, if you wanted to create certain kind of amount like a 25 crore to 30 crore or a 50 crore in your bank account, you must have strategies, and someone should be taking care of your complete finances. If you are interested in that, but I can help you in managing money. You can only focus on career and can focus on growing to the next level. If you are interested, related to the link is in description. Please go through that. And if any video is there, please watch it so that you will understand completely. Thank you so much. Have a great day.